Tita Nicole, of course. So today we are going to the mall. So I hope to see you there and God bless.
Hi guys, so I'm here already in the car, so let's go!
We are here already in the Dex Sporting Goods. So let's go, guys. So nandito na tayo, guys, sa loob ng Dex Sportwear. Lakad tayo, guys, kasi may hinahanap ako eh. Gusto ko nang bumili ng bagong shoes kasi yung shoes ko ang dumi-dumi na. So I hope I can find my size in here. Anyway, guys, I love running shoes kasi super light lang siya suotin. Kung nakikita nyo yan, yung kulay black, yan ang gusto ko. Yan ang old shoes ko din na sinusuot ko ngayon. Wala silang size sa akin. Size 7 kasi ako eh. Wala silang size. So guys, pili na lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Ayun na nga, guys. Maghanap tayo ng ibang store kasi wala talaga silang size sa akin. So kung nakikita nyo yan, walang masyadong tao dito. Nang dahil sa COVID. So try natin pasok sa Macy's. Lakad-lakad tayo, guys, until we can find my shoes. So I hope I can find my size in here, maybe. So we'll see. I think, guys, wala silang shoes na gusto ko. So babalik na lang kami. Maghanap kami ni Mr. ng another store. So guys, may nakita ako ditong MAC. Mahilig ba kayo sa MAC? Kaso sobrang mahal din yan, guys. Halos walang katao-tao dito sa mall nila because of the virus. I hope na ang virus na mawala na para makagala-gala tayo kahit saan-saan. Nag-stop kami dito, guys, ni Mr. kasi nakikita niya na super cool yung mga binibinta nila dito sa loob. Makikita niyo yan. Ayun, oh. Diba? Nakad mga design ng mga buti. Tapos yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan yan. Parang pang ano yan ay. Pang pambango sa bahay. Pang social talaga siya, guys. Yan. Ayun, oh. Pang bar. Decoration pang bar. So guys, bili na kayo. If you want something, buy it. Hala, ang cute ng turtle nila, guys. O, tingnan nyo naman. Parang tunay, pero hindi yan tunay. Bato lang yan. Parang stone. Ito yung gusto ko, guys, na light. Parang stone light. Stone light ba? Tama ba? No, stone light. Pero ang ganda niya, ha, sobra.
I'm here in the hotel already. So, i-share ko sa inyo kung anong mga binibili ko doon sa mall. So, dalawang items lang yung binibili ko, guys, kasi I don't have enough money. Alam niyo naman, I don't have any job in here. So, yes, i-share ko na sa inyo. So, first, yung Nike. Yes, Nike shoe. Nike shoes. Tama ba? Is it correct? So, tadang! So this is the shoes I bought in the mall. It's a Nike and color pink. And is a running shoes. Yes. Super light siya, guys. Bakit favorite ko ito? Kasi palagi akong nagwo-walking tapos hindi ko feel na may sapatos ako kasi super light lang talaga siya. Ito siya, oh. Yung old shoes ko is the same style, design, but the color is different. So, I don't really like pink, but they don't have any size in there, so no choice. Ito yung pinili ng asawa ko kasi ito yung gustong-gusto ko talaga na sapatos. Super ganda niya, guys. I-share ko sa inyo yung old shoes ko. Super dumi. So, ito siya. Yes, kaya if you really like to buy this one, guys, punta lang kayo sa Nike. Yes, Nike brand lang siya. Tapos, hindi kayo magsisisi, guys. Kasi super ganda niya at saka super easy lang suotin. Yes. At saka, yung isa naman yung binili ko is Victoria's Secret. So, I go in the Victoria's Secret. I did not make a video in there because some people is there and then, you know, it's a little bit crowded. So, ano nga ba ang binili ko sa Victoria's Secret? So, ang binili ko sa Victoria's Secret, guys, is only underwear. So, I don't need to show yung panty ko dito sa video kasi you know already what is underwear. So, I just wanna tell you, I've been in Victoria's Secret and I bought underwear. Yes, so, that's it, guys. Yun lang yung mga binibili ko doon sa mall kasi, you know naman, crisis ang panahon ngayon, kaya tipid-tipid din tayo, no? So, i-share ko din sa inyo, guys, yung old shoes ko. Bakit ako bumili ng bagong new shoes? Kasi, super dirty na niya. Yes. So, kunin ko muna yung old shoes ko at ipakita ko din sa inyo. Ito siya, guys. Diba? Same design lang. Yung style niya sa new one and old one. Ito siya, oh. Diba? Same lang sila. Kaso, yung old one ko is super dirty niya at saka may stain siya dito. Kaya, bumili ako ng new one. Kasi, I wear this one when we go in camping, hiking, everywhere. That's why, looks like really, really dirty and really old. But, I still wear this one even I still walking. And this one, I don't want to wear this one for walking or hiking or camping kasi is a new one. Yes, I wear this one for travel only. So, this one, I can wear everywhere. So that's it. So anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video. Bye guys.